Hello, students. Today we have to move on to the chapter Preamble to the Constitution of India. Preamble to the Constitution of India is the second chapter that we have to study, right? What do you mean by preamble? Preamble, that is preface. What do you mean by preface? An introduction, right? Then what is constitution? What do you mean by a constitution? Yes, a constitution is a written or unwritten document that contains a set of rules for a government. A constitution is a written or unwritten document that contains a set of rules for a government. Is it clear? So, India has a written constitution and it has a very meaningful preface. So it is about the preface that we are going to talk about today. So you have to take the textbook and page number 14. Let me read the introduction for you. Listen please. On 26th January 1950, India adopted a new constitution and became a sovereign socialist democratic republic. For the formulation of the constitution of a state, a constituent assembly is necessary. In 1946, as per the recommendation of the Cabinet Mission Plan, the Constituent Assembly for drafting the Constitution of India was constituted under the chairmanship of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The drafting committee, comprised of 7 members, was chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The final draft of the constitution was presented before the Constituent Assembly on 3rd November 1947. It had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. It came into force on 26th January 1950 all over India except Jammu and Kashmir. The makers of Indian Constitution, keeping in mind the needs and conditions of India, had borrowed widely from different constitutions of the world, which resulted in the undue criticism that Indian Constitution was a bag of borrowings. Indian Constitution was a bag of borrowings. In its current form, it has a preamble, 25 parts with 448 articles, 12 schedules, 5 appendices, and 101 amendments. It is the most comprehensive and the longest written constitution of the world. The term preamble means introduction or preface. The tradition of preamble began with the American Constitution. Preamble refers to the very essence of the Constitution. Preamble to the Constitution of India is thus rightly described as the identity card of the Constitution. The preamble assimilates the fundamental values of political, moral, and religious on which the Constitution is built. It manifests the gracious vision, dreams, and aspirations of the founding fathers of the Constitution. K.M. Munshi, a member of the drafting committee, stated that the preamble is the horoscope of our sovereign democratic republic. Another member of the drafting committee, Pandit Thakur Das, rightly remarked that the preamble is the soul of the Constitution. The preamble was amended by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976, which added 3 words, which are they? Socialist, secular, and integrity. The preamble reveals that the Constitution derives its authority from the people of India and sets the objectives of the Constitution as justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. So this is the introduction to our chapter, right? So what we have to do is read it thoroughly because there are so many definitions for the preamble of Indian Constitution as put forward by many great people. You know, in PSC exams also they ask preamble is the heart and soul of Indian Constitution. Whose words are this? Who told like this? Who commented this? Questions like this are very common in our PSC exams, right? And we have to know what is the importance of preamble in our Indian Constitution. What does it talk about? What are the things included in the preamble? That's why they have given this as a prescribed chapter for us, right? So, again, need I to read once more? I don't think so. So you have to read it thoroughly and understand the important dates, the important people like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is his role in the formation of Indian Constitution? What is drafting committee? In which year it was formed? In which year there were many amendments made? Clear? So we have to move on to the chapter. Okay? Thank you.